Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on eHarmony, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eHarmony.com and make a search. The official page of eHarmony's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in by entering your email address and password, and from the home page click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop down, click on Edit Profile option. On the next page, tap on your profile name. Edit your name to what you would like to change and tap on Save. This is how you can change name on eHarmony quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.